You might think building triggers only happens during the develop phase of the ADDIE model, but it actually starts much earlier, in the design phase. Remember, the design phase is where we build the storyboard, write the script, and plan how to make the lesson engaging and interactive. That's exactly what triggers are designed to do. They take a static, on-screen slide and bring it to life. But here's the key. You can't just drop triggers into your course and hope they make it engaging. Every trigger you create needs to be intentional. It should support the learning objectives and add value to the experience. The same goes for consistency. You don't want a mishmash of triggers that don't complement each other. For example, if most of your lesson uses images that learners select to reveal extra information, don't suddenly switch to a random button halfway through the course to do the same thing. That kind of inconsistency pulls learners out of the flow, and once their focus breaks, it can be tough to get it back. When learners can predict how things will work, they stop worrying about how to interact and start focusing on what they're learning. That's the result of intentional design. Building both your course and your triggers with purpose, so every interaction feels natural, consistent, and meaningful.